So today we are going to go through klokken, the clock, in Norwegian and how to say it in a very simple way. So let's start. This shall be okay. Um, and then we can have four parts of the clock. We know that a full hour is 60 minutes. All right. And we know that half an hour it's called halv and it's 30 minutes. Okay. And we know that in 1 hour we have 4 quarters. So 1 quarter is kvart. And then we have also kvart there. Okay, so now we have names on those ones. And then we have inside these four parts, the first one is over. The second one is på. The third one is over as well. And the last one is also på. Over is over, and på can be translated to until or to. Okay, we will take an example of 60 minutes. Let's say we are taking 11 o'clock as an example. So all of this 1 hour, this from 11 to 12 o'clock. Okay. So let's see here. Let's say that the time is 11:05, 11:05. In Norwegian, we would say the rule is we would say minutes plus over, because that's where it is, plus same hour, which is 11 in this case. So this will be, basically it will be like this. 5 is the minutes, and then we have over, and then we have 11. 5/11. So this rule, this applies to the first 15 minutes. So we never say 15/11, 15 past 11. We say kvart/11, so quarter past 11. So this is the rule for the first 15 minutes. All right. And then if we go to the left side and we say that the time is 11:55. One thing to mention is that the first 15 minutes we use the same hour. The next 45 minutes we use the next hour, but we write the same hour. Okay, as you can see, I have written 11:55, but when I will say it, I will refer to 12 o'clock. So pay attention to that. Now, in the left side, 11:55, we are going to see how many minutes is it left until a full hours, which is 60 minutes. As you can see, it's 5 minutes left, right? 5 left. Okay, that's what we are going to use. So the new rule will be minutes left until 60 plus på plus next hour. Okay, it means how many minutes is it left until 60? Okay, 5. Then we'll see fem på. What's the next hour after 11? 12. Okay, so fem på 11. Fem på 12 is the correct one. All right. And this way we say from the last 50 minutes, so from 45 until next hour, we say it like this with this rule. All right. And then we have the little bit tricky one or a little bit more difficult one. Let's take this one and we'll take this one. Okay, so here we can add 11:20 and here we can add 11:40. All right. In this case, we will have a break at half before continuing. Okay? So now with break, I mean how many minutes is it left until 30? Okay, in this case, it's 10. And then how many minutes is it over 30? Okay, that's also 10. Okay, it means 10 minutes and 10 minutes. The rulings is like this. Minutes left until 30 plus på, because that's the part we are in, plus half, because that's the break, plus next hour. Okay, so that's for the right side, and then for left side is almost the same. In this case, we just remove på with over. So 11:20 will be like this. Ti på halv 12. 11:40 would be ti over halv 12. And this is very simplified explanation of how to say the clock in Norwegian. Try it yourself.